there. I'm Kimmy. Welcome to Kimmiebeetv. Go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can become a roomie. Turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're true to this, not new to this, then hey, roomie, what's up? So roomies, it's laundry day. I am going to do my linens, my towels, and some of my clothes. I already washed my clothes this morning, but I still need to do like my bedding and then the towels and everything. But before I actually get into doing the laundry, we're actually gonna organize the laundry room. So I went and hit TJmaxx per usual and bought new organizers. And I'm gonna take y'all along with me while we try to get this laundry room together because baby, it's a mess. It's a mess. It's a very small space, so it's not difficult for it to look messy. And right now, it looks a mess. I'm just about to show y'all the real deal on what this laundry room is looking like. I ain't cleaned nothing up. I ain't picked nothing up. So what you see is what you get, okay? So let me show y'all the laundry room. So this is what the laundry room is looking like, y'all. It's a damn mess in here. I need to like clean it up, organize it, and do better in general. Just do better. Okay, y'all, so when I was doing laundry this morning, I was trying to figure out why my clothes wasn't dry. But as I was just climbing on top of this dryer, trying to pick up my stuff that fell over behind the washer and dryer, I see why it's not dry. So let me see if y'all can see. Y'all see that? The little vent part that came loose from the wall. Just a little bit, but it's still loose from the wall. So I kind of need to pull the dryer out real quick and try to reconnect it. I don't feel like doing this, but it gotta be done. So yeah, I'm about to do that real quick. I probably won't be able to record it because this is such a very tight space, but I'm about to reconnect it. Just great. So now it's completely disconnected. So it's gonna take even longer, but while I'm back here, I might as well sweep it out. So let me get the broom and then I'll sweep first and then I'll get this stuff out. And then I'll reconnect it. Okay, y'all, so I really was just on the battlefield for my life with the damn dryer. Sliced my thumb, so I had to go play nurse real quick and bandage myself up. But I did get the vent part back on to the dryer and to the wall connector. I really had to like go and unscrew the whole thing just to kind of like scoop the little ring thing closer towards the end to hold it, to give it a better hold. If you got a dryer and you be playing with it, you know what I'm talking about. But now I'm gonna just go ahead and put this together. And I got this from Walmart. This is the Mainstays collection, and this was, I want to say $28, $29. It say easy to assemble, so we'll see. I probably should have read this hardware included part before I just went through the little toolbox and almost sliced my damn thumb off, but whatever. We're gonna go ahead and put this together and then put it in the laundry room, and then we'll start organizing the rest of the stuff. Okay, y'all, so now that I finally got this thing together, I'm gonna just add these little film pieces that go over it, and then we're gonna get to organizing. Alright, cool. What I'm gonna put over here are gonna be like extra towels, hand towels, washcloths, and little exfoliating gloves. Got the big bin. Damn, I forgot to cut those zips out. Hold on. Okay. So I'm going to put a towel up here. I told y'all it's laundry day, so really this is the only extra towel right now. And I think I only have, because most of my towels are on display in the bathroom, I think I only have like 2, maybe 3, 2, maybe 3 extra towels. So I'll stand it up like that. Okay, so I'm going to use these acrylic bins that I got from Five Below, and these are going to hold the exfoliating gloves and hand towels and stuff. I really wish that I had somewhere else to put this vacuum cleaner, but I don't. So it's going right back in here, and I'm also about to bring my laundry basket back in here, but I'm actually about to start a load of laundry while I sort through some of that other stuff. I'm not gonna bring the hair basket back in here. I'm actually gonna leave it outside. I mean, well, not outside, but in my room, where the rest of my hair stuff is. So this is currently what it's looking like. I got all the cleaning supplies over here, dryer sheets right there, my bleach pods next to that, the in-wash scent beads next to that, and then my 2 different laundry detergents. I have one for my color clothes and one for my white clothes. And then this bin right here is going to be the lint basket. And over here, I have like the extra towels, extra toilet paper, the exfoliating gloves, some extra washcloths and hand towels. I mostly use these hand towels to like do my hair, like when I wash up my hair and stuff. My extra dude wipes for, you know, the wet wipes for the bathroom. And then my laundry, which I'm about to start. And then the vacuum cleaner. So far so good. I like it. It has a different vibe in here now. It is less anxiety inducing, I'll say that. But now the anxiety has moved out here because I need to go through this hair basket right here. And this bin, it don't really have nothing in there. Those are just boxes from my hair dryer that don't even work. It's not even the hair dryer that work anymore anyway, so I need to throw that stuff away. And then like my nail stuff over here for when I be doing my nails. I am probably going to put that over at the vanity area too. Hopefully by me putting all this stuff over at the vanity area, it'll motivate me to hurry up and do the vanity area, because I'm tired of looking at it looking like that. But you know, one thing at a time, one day at a time, because shit is expensive out here these days. And I ain't trying to go broke, I'm trying to be cute. This is a realistic organizing, realistic home decor, realistic vlog channel, period. Everything I do is real life. It's not, I did not go to the store to stock up on any of these laundry supplies, although I should, but I still got some time before I absolutely need to. When it comes to laundry, I'm kind of like a last minute person. Like, yeah, I won't do it unless I absolutely have to, because I actually don't like doing laundry, but whatever. So, you know, once I do go shopping or whatever and stock back up, then I'll just refill all the bins. And the bin with the dryer sheet, it is big, but I also might put like some dryer balls or wool balls or whatever they call. I might put some of those in there, and I need to get a lint roller to put in there, as well as like an ironing board and an iron. But it's gonna be like a little mini ironing board, because I keep telling y'all, I don't iron. I don't. I might get a steamer though, but I don't iron. Y'all, normally I don't wash my sheets and my towels together, but tonight I am, because I'm not trying to be doing laundry all night, and it's not a lot of sheets nor towels actually. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and wash all of it together. I just found these like wall shelves that I had, and I don't really have nothing to do with them, so I'm just gonna put them up in the laundry room. I have absolutely no use for them, but they'll make a cute little addition in the laundry room. So I'm gonna just go put these up. The washer is going, so it is gonna be a little loud in there, but you know, I'm gonna put these up real quick. All right, y'all, so that is the end of this video. I don't know about y'all, but for me, organizing just really makes me feel like I'm getting my life together. I'm getting my life together. Like, I do love a clean, organized environment. Sometimes organizing tends to backfire for me though. Like, if I clean up and organize stuff in a different manner, I tend to forget where I put stuff. So then in a few days, I'm gonna be looking for it, like, dang, what I do with da-da-da-da-da, and then can't find it. Does that happen to y'all? Because it happens to me almost every time I organize something or reorganize something or rearrange, because I am constantly rearranging stuff. Anyway, yeah, so I enjoy organizing this laundry room. Tomorrow I am gonna go through like all of that hair stuff and hopefully organize that stuff and get my life together over there. And pretty soon I will be working on the vanity area. I did sketch out like my vision of how I want to see it, so I'm gonna redo that whole little area just when I get the time to do it, honestly. So I'll be working on that in a few weeks, so you guys make sure you stay tuned for that. And if you like today's video, go ahead and smash that like button, give me a big thumbs up. Go ahead and drop your comments below. Leave me a comment, let me know if you like this video or not. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell. And don't forget, most importantly, to share this video with your mom, daddy, sister, brother, cousin, and your best friend. Till next time, y'all, I'm out.